Hello, my name is Lydia. I'm a student from Germany and I just did a 3-month internship here at Kontakt in Poland, in Poznań. And yeah, today is actually my last day. So I really had a very nice experience and I learned a lot about Poland and Polish culture, and I fell in love with pierogi and with pączki. And yeah, I really enjoyed the work in Kontakt because it's a very nice and international team and I made lots of friends, and yeah, and I really enjoyed teaching and I had a very good relationship with my students, and I had the chance to prepare different workshops also. So yeah, it was a very varied work and I had a very great experience, and I'm a little bit sad to leave Poland, but well, I'm sure I'll come back one day. So, do widzenia!